to speeds up to 20 miles an hour, which is 4 times faster than our beloved Michael Phelps. Now, the last species of penguins are going to be the smallest penguins that you see. No, those are not babies. They are actually full-grown adults, but they are one of the smaller species, and they are called rock hopper penguins. And get this, they are actually known for their ability to hop on rocks. So imagine that. They're able to launch themselves out of the water up onto rocky ledges anywhere from 3 to 6 feet above that water line. So they are very small, but they are very mighty. But instead of giving you a bunch of generalized information about our penguins today I'm going to be focusing on 2 different things. I'm going to be focusing on their feathers and also their nesting, because y'all came at a very special time of the year. But to tell you more about penguin feathers, what's really cool about penguins is they don't have to go out and buy a winter coat, because they're actually able to grow their own. With the combination of how many feathers they have and also their layering abilities, they are perfectly equipped for many different climates. Now, those outside feathers that you see, the beautiful tuxedo feathers, those are actually not the feathers that keep them warm. They're only the feathers that keep them dry. Now, penguins are very special because they have the most feathers of any bird, having about 100 feathers per square inch of skin. And all of those tuxedo feathers are actually layered much like shingles on a roof. And then penguins also have a special gland that's at the base of their tail that secretes an oil that's called a preening oil. Now, they apply this oil to all of their feathers using their beak, and it's much like when we wax our car, so it helps waterproof them, allowing that water to just roll off of those feathers. Now, like I said, those are the feathers that keep them dry, not the ones that keep them warm. So what you can't see is right underneath those beautiful feathers are these very small, white, fluffy feathers. Now, those feathers are called down feathers, and you've probably seen down feathers before because they are present in items such as our coats and also our pillows. So the way that those feathers work is once the penguin exits the water, those feathers will actually expand, holding a nice warm pocket of air right next to their skin, and that's how they stay nice and warm. Now, not only are those feathers perfect for their climates, they're actually a perfect form of camouflage as well. Now, I know it may sound pretty funny to think of black and white feathers as camouflage, but I promise you they are perfect for their underwater lives. Now, counter shading is a color variation that is seen in underwater animals such as sharks, rays, some fish, and also our penguins. And their technique is to have a dark top side and a light underside. Now, this helps them remain mostly unseen by their prey and their predators in the water. And the way that that works is as they swim, their dark top side is going to blend into that dark ocean floor to animals that are above them, and that bright white belly is going to blend into that bright ocean surface to animals that are below them. So you can imagine just how they would swim in the water and pretty much be perfectly equipped for underwater life. Now, not only are they perfect for camouflage as well, but like all birds, penguins do molt, but unlike birds, penguins actually only molt once a year. Now, just a couple weeks ago, if you were visiting us, you may have noticed that our king penguins look really, really scruffy and very, very fluffy. And that's because they actually just completed their molting process. Now, molting is the process where they will lose all their feathers and grow in those new feathers, and it will take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks depending on the size and the species of the penguin. Now, like I said,